What's up? Yeah, yeah, ain't no limit. Freestyle unit. Yo, play the game, snake niggas. Lay up in the dirt, you fade with us. Come on, young son, they fade too much. You little niggas can't hit us with the slush. Yeah, talk about yeah, you ready to bust. And talking about young, you wanna get the girls to fuck. Bust a nut, yeah, so none, yeah, I'm disgusted with it. There's something around, talk too much, can't discuss, young, about that kid from the dead. Nigga, rep your wig loose. Niggas already know the business, handle mine, son, keep it true. There no truce that they calling out, cause I don't give a fuck about it, son, ain't no doubt. I ain't gonna never, yeah, forgive your fucking mistakes. I ain't your God, but I strike it like a that. Niggas overdose, strike your body down when I hit that match. The niggas come around the burn and stay attached. Niggas already know the facts. Niggas hit the game when I do this, nigga. MOB rap niggas already know, young. Gotta just get 'em, nigga. No limit, ain't no limit, nigga. Freestyle unit. Ain't no limit, motherfucker. Come around the lemon in your game like a lemonade. Come on, son, let me a grenade. Blow your whole face away, nigga in my way. And niggas out, y'all, top on the game, John. Got the game a lot, LIL PISTOL. Motherfucker, killer clown. Motherfucker, grimy young nigga. That will shut your motherfucking ass down. And shut the fuck up, I wanna hear your sounds. You talk a lot, young. Like I mean, you had enough of that. Come around, son, lay your ass on the mat. Come on, young, put the strap out and the take off your motherfucking hat. Put a bullet in this shit. Empty a whole clip, oh yeah, matter of fact, cause I don't give a fuck. Make your mind flip, literally, motherfucker. Come around, I'm a little itty bitty like a bug that I had to love, young. I'm a thug nigga from the game, yeah, like a blood and vein. Niggas come around and keep us saying I'm just insane, and it's whatever, nigga, and that's just who to blame. Yeah, that nigga God say I'm a roughy ass nigga. Come around, nigga. Now I ain't just talking hard, nigga. I'm on that real raw life living. Dog ass nigga got hit with a knife, y'all. Damn right, I'm still living, kid, and I'm living this pain. It ain't gonna never go away. Niggas in the hood say what they say. Niggas in the hood ain't ready to play, cause I'm ready all day. Ready to start that war, start that battle with that boy on the motherfucking game. Little niggas go to Baltimore, you lame ass niggas in the hood, nigga. Yeah, hoe ass nigga. Let's ride the game like I do. 2000 motherfucking 22, I had to lose. I was a rich nigga, had no bitch though. Come on, John, how you figure, yo? This is just how this life was in the game. And then now it's 2025. After I lost my job, like I almost lost my life. Come around and the mob brought me right back to this game. And these niggas tried to throw me in prison. Come on, son, they say it's so senseless. So when I get the burners done, cause then right the trigger fingers stay itching. You already know your body's about to get split it. Come on, down the hood problems, I'm dealing with it. Literally, you niggas so love me. Like some kids, motherfuckers come around. The little pistol, John nigga, killer clown. Yeah, always got that mean mug on his frown. And never getting away, niggas already know, son. Yeah, like a judgment day, nigga. They judge me anyway. Nigga, shit will never change. Niggas already know, John, shit, I ain't gotta have no friends. Still maintain it, be this gangster. Nigga ain't gonna believe that, cause I'm in Columbia, so come on, young little hood rats that was snitching on me. That's me in the street. Come on, dog, you already know Columbia Mall, with the baddies be. About to fall, little niggas in the hood, young, call the cops, cause they're always around now, nigga. I wanna talk, yeah, nigga. Ain't no limit. Freestyle unit. Ain't no limit, kid. You already know John let me in the bed. Baby girl, but she gone, son. They know when turn another nigga young. It's call my daddy now, son. So you not up in my world. So now I'ma have to do me. Grab the game, grab the heat. Come on, dog, call the squad, nigga. The whole gang is with me. Ryan solo on this song, cause that's how I feel. And niggas already know on the game, on the low. Now it's time to grab it still. And the last go to kill. Knock a nigga head off, nigga. Still getting playing the baddie in the murder field. Nigga shit's getting sloppy. You already know about to hit Oakridge, son. Catch a new baddie. Niggas come around, they still wanna doubt me. Niggas say young shit's not a joke. A motherfucker about to be 39, and in a couple weeks in my life it still ain't fine. In a couple rounds, that's all I got these beats. That's all I got these lyrics to speak. Come on, daughters, let it be known how I do, John. Before I reach these motherfuckers, John, take their last meal that you ain't gon' be able to eat. Cause you already know I'm a pistol whip you, young. Knock all your teeth out, motherfuckers. Come around the game with no doubt. Yo, I'm here, nigga. Yeah, go ahead, fair, nigga. It's the night, nigga. Kill no pistol in this motherfucker. Yeah, it's weird, nigga. Had to call me Mr. Crumple, man. Supposed to be retarded, yeah. I'm in the hood. Put lights for simple, man. But it's not. It's that motherfucking terror that you cannot fuck with. Can they come over and tear you up, young? Yeah, like you getting fucked with the dick. You know niggas take a blunt, then you hit. You already know what pass to the niggas in, and you taste they spit. Little dirty niggas just a baddest. Little niggas, little culture Gina young. And she go swear, yeah, spread them thighs and shit for that kid. Talking about little pistol done nigga with that big dick. Come on, daughter, even though he's skinny like a fucking stick. Come on, dog, still untouchable, young, fucking it, young. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Give me the guns, give me the strap. That's that. Take your life, young. I already set these niggas in the trap. These motherfuckers that be coming with them acts. You already know what the hood sign. Little pistol ain't green and black. Gotta keep that red on top. Little pistol in the game. Gotta get the game a lot. Little nigga, I'm a simple young nigga. Try to stay on the chill mode. Yeah, nigga, come around young 2024. Wendy's. Before I walk about the door in handcuffs. Little bitches try to be all tough. Now look at y'all motherfuckers. Listen to my music and I know that nigga die. Tell you dumb, this you clueless little whores, man. Who young? I'ma give you that for that. Little nigga, I don't care about none of that cause I want to know. Come around the game cause they don't now, they don't cup it out and little pistol, nigga. Ain't no limit. Freestyle unit. Ain't no limit, nigga. I'm back with it. Let me in the building, young. Fuck it, young. For the fat kid, yeah, you's a fat kid. That nigga Lil Mark, you's a bitch, nigga. I come around, put you on your back, nigga, yeah, son. And you acting like you richer cause you ran the whip, young. Like your sister did, little nigga. Look at the girl, that bitch that you came with, looking sexy. And if she returned to Wendy's, son, she would have sex with me. And my dog would get nasty in the back of the motherfucking restaurant. Put her in the back and suck a big old breast. And I'll show you how I do what I want. I don't give a fuck. She gonna get my dick in the young, right up in her ass like I'm putting in her trunk. Come on, don't give a fuck. But dead body smell like skunk when they come around me. Little pistol in the game like a groundhog, nigga. Put you in the game, yeah. Got the game sleepy. Come on, dog, would you sleep with me? Come around, John. I think that was your girlfriend. Yeah, that she used to work with the kid back in the day when I was a rookie. And then you already quit the job, young. So I haven't seen her since, son. You already know she be my cookie. And that I would hunt for. To come around, young, little pistol in the game, young. I ain't got a friend anymore. Never did before. So I ain't gonna do it now. letting you know, nigga, ain't no limit. Freestyle unit. Ain't no limit. Freestyle Unit Records.